magsimula sa ating challenge, we have to introduce ourselves, okay? And ang pagka-introduce natin mamaya, kailangan merong moniker.
Yes.
What's a moniker?
Moniker ni Monaco, ang mapin na ni Moniker. And then Moniker is parang extra, and then adjective that really describes how extra you are.
Halimbawa, I am Mimia.
Hi, I'm Mimia. Extra sarap. Parang extra fizz, di ba?
Galing! Ako, for example, I'm Ayin, guys, and I am extra confident.
I love that.
Ganon. Okay, let's start with Rosie.
Hi guys! My name is Rosie Gurlan and I am extra ganda.
Hi, SM Moa! I'm Candido and I'm extra cute.
Yes!
Wala, kinuha niya na.
Wala namin adjective ate, ha?
Hi, I'm Ina B, and I'm extra sexy.
Yes!
Hello, my name is Luis Castillo and I am extra stronger. Hi, I am J-King and I am extra cool.
Hey, it's Girl Kaya and Kaya, and I'm extra blonde.
Yes! I love!
Perfect! Ang ganda. So ngayon, guys, each one of you will have 30 seconds to show us your best, your most extra, okay? Most extra version of the Pepsi Dance Challenge. Are you guys ready? Yes, guys? We'll do it one by one.
Yes!
Starting with Rosie.
Go, Rosie! Go, DJ! Pili ba?
Extra, go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra, exciting, what kind of meal? Go Pepsi, extra fizz. I'm about to get it. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go extra, the new Pepsi, extra fizz.
Pag-review tayo, okay? Ibang step yan, ibang dance challenge yung inaral mo kasi puno ko ganti.
Okay lang yan. Extra ganda naman si Rosie.
Oo, yun na lang.
Palakpakan naman natin si Rosie, everybody!
Go Pepsi, extra fizz.
Alright, let's give it up now. And it's your turn.
Dali na ba ako niyo na sa'yo, Ben? It's your time to shine. Go, DJ, play back.
Go that extra. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra, exciting, go Pepsi, extra fizz. I'm about to get it. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go extra, the new Pepsi, extra fizz.
Alam
Yun.
mo, magka-section kayo, no? Hindi kayo nakikinig eh.
Palakpakan natin si
Oo nga.
Jana, extra
Yes,
cute.
na. Oo nga. Ay, dito na talaga.
Oh.
Ito bang section 5, ito section 1 to. Correct.
Ready na kayo lumipat sa section 1
Thank you,
now.
Christine. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
guys, now let's give it up for our third contestant, Ina.
Go that extra.
Let's go.
Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra, exciting, what kind of meal? Go Pepsi, extra fizz. I'm about to get it. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go extra, the new Pepsi,
blocking pa, no, na nangyayari. Ang galing, parang ready na tayo. And finally, guys, palakpakan natin our final contestant. Let's give it up for Kaya!
Let's go, Kaya! Kaya mo, Kaya! Grabe!
Like that, extra.
Let's go!
Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra fizz. Extra exciting, I'm back on the wheel. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra sad, I'm about to tip. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go extra, the new Pepsi, extra fizz.
Let's go!
Wow! Our extra blonde and extra exciting challengers. Okay, now guys, let's do one more all together.
Okay.
Sabay-sabay na tayo with our
Together
teacher.
with the audience!
And yes, our audience,
Okay,
tayo
let's
naman
go.
tayo.
Everybody, ibigay natin ang pinaka-extra. Extra hingal.
Extra hingal, extra energy, extra ng lahat, okay? Gusto niyo mag-blocking tayo?
Anong gawin natin?
Ayan. Let's have 3 people
Dito
in
here.
front.
Pwede tatlo. Yes!
Ayan.
Ganda,
O,
ganda.
diba? Ako dito lang ako sa gilid.
Dito ka na lang. Ano nangyayari? Ayan, dito ka dito. Yan.
Guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating challengers! Alright guys, are you ready?
Let's go!
Let's do this!
Hindi po ito ang audience. Let's tayo.
Extra.
Let's go!
Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra exciting, I'm back on the wheel. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Extra sad, I'm about to tip. Go Pepsi, extra fizz. Go extra, the new Pepsi, extra fizz.
Palakpakan naman natin ang ating challengers and of course, Mimi Lau! At syempre guys, dahil ginalingan talaga ng ating challengers na napaka-extra, hold on, meron kami pa-premyo sa inyo! Palakpakan natin sila and okay, let's do a quick photo op with Mimi. Ay, ako din.